Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. Wasn't planning on making a part two, and then one of my viewers that have watched the deal how to make frames, instead of going to go all the trouble to go up here, if you would just open your Windows, Dockers, and Properties, and go right here to the plus sign, and you got your same kind of strokes, and we're going to go Creative, and then down to Frame, and then pick a frame on the one you have selected, and you don't have to go back to that. You can just hit that plus key, and well, you do have to kind of go back, but it's a little bit more centralized, or whatever you want to call it. I still need to find a way to make it, um, I just playing around. Like I just found this the other day, and the gentleman that said something said, he didn't even know it existed. So we're kind of in the same boat. See, it opens up with a painterly brush. Um, even that this is the bitmap. So I don't really know what you can do, but I guess you're going to just have to keep, um, and it's not that big a deal because you could, pick any frame you want, and then if you don't like it, just back up. There's a pretty neat one. Let's see what that looks like. But anyway, not that neat of a video, but maybe simplified it a little bit. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.